Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Basic maths concepts taught till class 7 have been mostly uploaded and available in a separate playlist of the Raj NBF channel. It is now planned to upload practice videos in an effort to help children to pursue practice. First set of practice questions are given in this video. Answers will be given in the next video or will be given in comments. If required, answers may be given in next video including solved questions. The solution will also be given. Next plan of action will depend upon response from viewers. Therefore, it is necessary that you give your views whether this process is workable or not. This is paper 1. A set of numbers are given here. You can see here, lot of numbers are given. The children have to answer the following: natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, first 5 multiples of 7 and all the factors of 12. All these have been explained in our initial videos promulgated, serial 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. What you have to do is to write natural numbers. You write down what all are natural numbers, say 1, 7 or whatever. For odd numbers, you can, if the numbers are repeated, they can be repeated, but give the numbers which are odd. Like this, you have to answer these questions. You can refer the playlist and give the answer in comments or wait for my next video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Waiting for your suggestions and comments.